The story, Anna's feelings. Anna is a little girl who feels many different emotions every day. Sometimes, she feels happy, and sometimes, she feels sad. In the morning, Anna wakes up feeling excited. It's her birthday, and she knows her friends are coming to her party. She smiles and gets ready for the day. When she goes to the kitchen, her mom gives her a big hug and says, "Happy birthday." Anna feels so loved. At school, Anna's friends give her birthday cards. This makes her feel very special. She is proud to have such nice friends. They sing a birthday song for her, and she feels grateful. After school, Anna comes home to prepare for her party. But then something happens. Anna accidentally drops her favorite toy, and it breaks. She feels sad and a little angry. Her mom tells her it's okay, and they will fix it later. This makes Anna feel a little better. When her friends arrive for the party, Anna feels excited again. They play games, eat cake, and laugh together. Anna is happy because she loves spending time with her friends. At the end of the day, Anna is tired but very content. She had a fun birthday, even with the small accident. Anna realizes that every day is full of different feelings. Sometimes you feel happy, sometimes sad, but that's okay. What makes her most happy is being with her family and friends.